Hey guys, you export, so here we go. Y'all want to shop with me, so let's get shopping. Hey guys, it's your more girl. Let's get started. Guys, we're just going to do a quick browse. I'm just checking out some stuff for my coffee station. Remember guys, I moved 4 times in 4 years, so I'm on a tight budget. Okay, so you come in here, they have the plants, which I need. Remember I had this and it melted. Checking out things that I need. I need a wreath soon. I would like to go one in the kitchen. That's big cute. a quick little browse and tour to see what they have. I've seen a few things, but I'll see it. I'll check another time. Alright, okay guys. You asked for a shop with me, so hey, at least you know what Home Goods have. Alright, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, take care. Bye. It's your more girl.